The monkey forest.
Okay, this was a bad experience, y'all. I wanted to go. Shon was a little hesitant. We ended up going, and you know about her fear of cats and small animals. That monkey forest just set her anxiety to like 11. Before we even walked into the monkey forest, on the street next to the monkey forest, there was just a random monkey out there that snatched a drink bottle out of her hand, and that should have been a sign. That should have been a sign to not go into the monkey forest. It was fine for me, but it was just really bad for her. So, without spending too much time on the monkey forest situation, yeah.
Traumatic.
Yeah, if you come to Bali, you don't mind the monkeys, yeah, go to the monkey forest. It's probably great. But if you've got problems with small animals that may be jumping on you or wanting to fight you or something, I don't know, you might not want to go.
No. I had nightmares.
Yeah.
I'm still, the tension in my neck is so bad that I have neck pain.
Yeah.
So anyway, moving on to the next.